Hi everybody, it's Mark in Manila here, or Mark007 as you'll know me on Cambly. For any of my students there, thank you for checking out my channel, and if you're not a student there, then do feel free to try and grab a session with me if you can find a space in my booking schedule whilst I'm still there. Alternatively, you can hop over via my website, again links down below, to book a session with me via my own consulting website. That's where you'll get a heap more information and personalised help from me than I currently provide on Cambly. Cambly is something I'm doing for a short period of time, really just to try and bring as much of my high-level coaching and confidence and motivational work to the people who really need it right now in the pandemic. So it's been a privilege and pleasure to work with so many of you there, and you know, I hope obviously we will work together in the future. For now, I wanted to just show how you don't have to worry too much about practicing your English in a spoken way. If you find that singing is a better way for you to feel more confident or to express yourself and use your English, then I'm very happy to offer you some coaching where we use music, because I am also a musician. I'm a singer, performer and songwriter. I don't necessarily claim to be the best, but I have performed myself live before in the past, and of course I am a motivational speaker more than anything, so I'm a host, and I do perform and introduce a lot of artists, including musicians, DJs and a variety of other celebrity people. So if you would like to explore using music, so guitar, acoustic guitar, electronic guitar, whatever you play, or keyboard, and do a session with me where you turn up with your instrument, and you want to practice maybe some vocals, some lyrics in English, then I'm very happy to do that. One of the favourite ones, if you just excuse the hand over the camera, because we're about to lose the camera on the floor there, so the joys of working with limited equipment in a pandemic here. But if you are interested, one of the basic songs that is a really good one to do is Stuck on You by Lionel Richie. It's a nice, easy song, and I like Stuck on You because the transition, the mouth movements required in it are very useful when we are speaking English. There's a lot of E. The letter E is the most frequently used letter in the English alphabet. So there's a lot of those in this song. And in general, I just find it a very easy tune to sing as well. So it's easy to strum along with, or finger pick, whichever is your preference, your style. And I'm just going to demonstrate it here for you now, so you can hear how this should sound in English. And do feel free to copy along at home if you want to play along at home, and try and copy the modulation and the way that I sing it, and watch my mouth opening. Again, it is more challenging when you're singing and playing, but for some clients and students, playing guitar or using a musical instrument, or indeed just singing rather than speaking to me, for some reason you guys find it better. Perhaps you feel less self-conscious, because when we sing we are using our emotions. We are in general, I mean usually I'm not sat down, I'm having to sit down to get near to the camera here, but in general we are using our emotions to sing with, so we forget, we're not as self-conscious. We might be in a different way if we're not so happy about singing, but if you love singing, then you might lose all of your inhibitions and find that you can really practice your English this way. So do feel free to contact me if you would like to do this. It's not something I'll do on Cambly, I have to admit, because we do need a longer session to do it, and Cambly unfortunately is not the most flexible for that. Even in a 60-minute session, to be able to arrange the instruments and, you know, to spend the time to help you with yours as well at the same time, doesn't allow with the Cambly system very well. Usually I'm in call after call, so it just wouldn't work. Otherwise I'd be transitioning to another student with a guitar still strapped to myself. So it's something that I would only do in my high-level coaching, but do feel free to check it out. Right, with that said, I'm going to try and give you Stuck on You by Lionel Richie. Stuck on you, in the fool for too long. I guess it's time for me to come on home. Yes, I'm on my way. I needed a friend, and the way I feel about you, I guess I'll be with you to the end. Yes, I'm on my way. Mighty glad you stayed. I'm stuck on you. Been a fool for too long, I guess it's time for me to come on home. Yes, I'm on my way. So hard to see that a woman like you could wait around for a guy like me. Yes, I'm on my way. Mighty glad you stayed. Oh, I'm leaving on that midnight train tomorrow, and I know just where I'm going to. I packed up my troubles and I've thrown them all away. 'Cause this time, little darling, I'm coming home to stay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Stuck on you. Been a fool for too long, I guess it's time for me to come on home. Yes, I'm on my way. So hard to see that a woman like you could wait around for a guy like me. Yes, I'm on my way. Mighty glad you stayed. Yeah, yeah, mighty glad you stayed. Mighty glad you stayed. So thank you for staying all the way through that. Not the easiest to do when I'm sort of attached to this, but yeah, hopefully you get the idea. We can do much better, I'm sure, together. So check me out. It's Mark in Manila, 007 on Camberley. And again, check out my website, the ESL Coaching website. And I hope to hear and speak or sing with you in English very, very soon. Take care, everybody, and stay safe. See ya.